Think your floors are clean? Think again. Get ready to see clean in a whole new light. Meet the all-new Shark VACMOP Reveal. It illuminates hidden dust, hair, and residue, so you never miss a spot. Then, it powerfully vacuums and spray mops for a complete floor clean, all in one disposable pad.
Bag, bag, girls, bag, bag, pop.
While others push messes around, VACMOP locks them away with a wet-dry pad that traps dirt, debris, and hair. Then sprays to break down stains and tackle wet messes for a streak-free shine every time. The all-in-one, powerful, cordless, lightweight solution for quick, mess-free cleanups. Shark VACMOP Reveal.